Hey, the second option we're going to utilize is called Screencast-O-Matic, in which it does allow you to take your entire screen, whatever you determine, and you'll see the outer red edges that maybe you can't see in this video. Allows me to stretch my picture that I kind of have some autonomy, some freedom to choose what do I want in the screen as it's being recorded, as it is right now. So to find Screencast-O-Matic, you just go into URL. In this case, I'm going to give you actually the hyperlink to this app, and you'll just open it up. Right away you'll go click on My Videos. In this case you'll have to set up a actually you're going to be doing an in My account, so make it a lot easier for you. I'll collect all your videos. So basically launch the recorder as we just did. It's already open, as you see, but you'll see in the bottom left hand corner the options for record, as that's how I got this going. So from there it gives you a countdown, 3, 2, 1, which I've showed you already in the demonstration, and we are going to take you through this whole process right now. So Screencast-O-Matic is a wonderful tool to show the screen. You can maybe get your project visuals all ready to go. You can share, go over your Trello board. You can explain the project itself. You can show the project you created. So this is a wonderful tool when we talk about storytelling, how you can capture your screen and your voice in any other kind of medium that you wish to do so. So it's an introduction video to a second of two options we're going to use to record our shared lesson. So here we are in day 2, week 2, kind of utilizing some of the options that you're going to use. Hope this has been helpful as an introduction. There's a much deeper level I'll be sharing with you as we progress through this experience.